7 or
2007 Avalanche check engine light.
There you go.
We're ready to go. Oh man, that's quick. Whoa. They got it.
Aim it low.
Hold on.
Stop sign. Fuck you, man. Stop sign. Alright, right here is be a turn.
I know.
Right here's a strip though. Boom, that was the strip, turn around.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
This is my punch real quick.
Turn around.
I want to do like 30.
I'm telling you, watch. This is not the strip right here, I'm telling you.
Hold on.
Right here's the main strip, cops come through here.
No, hold on.
Fuck you.
Woo! Man, that's quick. I felt it in my nuggets.
There you go.